This is Mijo Fashion Designs. Once again, we have new video about Sunday outfits that will be very helpful for young girls to design and stitch for your winter dresses. I do love this collection. If you want to know my choice, let me tell you. I love the first 3 designs and the last one. Let's talk about the first one. The design is simple but beautiful. We can see red and black put together, which is really addictive. The color will match those both light and dark skin, but if you are fat, that's the problem. So you must have a slim body to best put this shirt. Let me keep myself away from this video. I will share you a few tips to look after your skin in winter. Number 1. Prepare your home. The drier the air, the drier the skin. If you use any heater during winter, be sure the heat is kept on low or at a moderate temperature to avoid extra dryness in the air. Number 2. Change up your diet. With a direct connection between the gut and skin health, increasing your daily intake of fats may help with dry skin. Specialist recommends eating a diet rich in walnuts, olive oil, and avocados. Number 3. Drink. We tend to drink less water in the winter because we turn to hot drinks like tea. But don't forget that your skin needs hydration from the inside. A little warm water with lemon can be very refreshing and hydrating at the same time. That's all for this time. I hope you all like this video. Please share, comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching till the end.